And today was the sixth straight day of gains on the Lal Street, with Nifty closing above 24,150 levels. These are highest levels seen in 2025 so far. Sensex also closed near 79,600 levels. Realty stocks were the biggest gainers in trade, while Nifty Bank hit a fresh lifetime high. FMCG stocks were also buzzing, and this was on the back of bullish brokerage view coming from CLSA, wherein they stated that consumption is likely to see as revival. On the losing side, Nifty IT was the top laggard as heavyweights Wipro and Infosys dragged index down. And moving on, news now coming from RBI, where central bank has introduced exclusive internet domain for banks to combat online frauds and enhance public confidence in digital banking and payment systems. My colleague Anjali is here with more details.
With many customers falling prey to online frauds and scams, the RBI has now introduced an exclusive internet domain for banks in the country, which will be .bank.in, which means all legitimate websites from banks will have to carry the internet domain .bank and .in, which will make it much easier for customers to ascertain whether a certain website is legitimate or not. RBI has announced in a circular that by 31st October 2025, all banks will have to migrate to this new domain. In fact, the Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology will be serving as the exclusive registrar for this domain, and the IDRBT will guide the banks on the application process, and the migration to new domain will be assisted by this institution. This initiative was announced in a statement by the RBI on 7th of February, and it is aimed at strengthening the cybersecurity framework and enhancing public confidence in digital banking and payment systems. Of late, many customers have been falling prey to illegitimate websites of banks because they look very much like the legitimate bank websites. But now with an exclusive domains, customers can browse or use the legitimate bank websites with much more confidence.